Hey, armchair athletes. Did you make a New Year's resolution this year to try to eat more healthy foods and eat more healthy snacks? And now you're sitting there wondering, okay, how am I going to do this? What can I eat? What can I eat? What can I eat that's healthy while I'm watching this big game? Well, let me tell you, I'm Joyce McKinney from K-State Research and Extension. I'm the nutrition educator for the Snap Ed program, and have I got a recipe for you? It's called Fiesta Dip. It's from our Kids A-Cookin' collection of recipes. Now, don't let Kids A-Cookin' fool you. Grown-ups like this too. Fiesta Dip is made with refried beans, some fat-free sour cream. You can throw some salsa in there. If you think this is too mild, you can spice it up a little bit and have a spicier salsa with that. And sprinkle it with some low-fat cheddar cheese. And start dipping with like some carrots or some whole grain crackers. And you've got a nice healthy snack.